Hello friends, welcome to my channel realgrowthtech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about how to find out whether your website is mobile friendly or responsive or not. So today I will tell you two Google Chrome extension which will help you to find out how your website is performing in mobile in all the devices, and another Chrome extension helps you to analyze the performance of your website. Both these two Chrome extension helps you to monitor and analyze your website in a proper manner. In today's digital marketing world, so responsive and mobile friendly website is very helpful for the business to get more business and leads. Most of us are using websites for the one or the another way for the business and for individual purpose. But we ignore how our website will perform in mobile devices. In 80 to 90% people are using mobile, and if we develop mobile friendly and responsive website, it reaches more customers who are using mobiles. Today I am telling you how to identify whether our website is mobile friendly, responsive or not. So let's go to my laptop screen and discuss in detail. This is my laptop screen. Go to the Google Chrome, go to the search bar, type Chrome Web Store. In Chrome Web Store, click on the first link, Chrome Web Store. See in the search bar, type responsive web design test. Click enter. See, this is the extension responsive web design tester. Responsive web design tester is a quick and easy way to test your responsive website. This extension helps you to find out how your website is working in your mobile, in which device it is, whether it is responsive or not. So click on this. So I have already added the extension. That is, it's asking me to remove the Chrome. I already added. Go to the extension bar here. Click on this. See, I already downloaded the extension. Just you click on the extension. Click on OK. See this responsive web design testing or is highlighting here. So to check how this extension is works, go to your another search bar. Type your website. I will type my website. So this is my website. I will use this responsive test extension on my website. How it works? So click on this responsive web designing icon here. So this in the new search bar is open. Here you select the device, which device you want to test. See, there's so many options and mobile options are there. I will take Samsung Galaxy S6 Portrait. Click on this. See, this is a mobile view. How it looks in mobile, whether the website is responsive or not. We will find out by downloading this extension. This is the mobile view of LG S6 Portrait. We can select another device and go to the responsive extension icon. Click on this. You can select any other device. I will select LG G5 Landscape. So in tablet, how the website is looks. See. Like this, you can select any mobile of any brand. Click on this again. Go to the option. Here you can edit, you can add any of the brand, any mobile in this extension by clicking on new device. Click on this. You type, suppose you have any some other phone, LG phone. If you want to use, it is asking user agent. If you want to particular user agent, go to the Google, type Android 20 or Android user agent. Click on this. Make it as Android mobile. So you will find all mobile user agent here. Scroll down and click on list of user agent stream. List of user agent stream. Scroll down here. So you will find all mobile user agents here. You can copy the user agent of your any of your brand if you want. Copy this. Vivo is there, Google Pixel is there, Xiaomi is there, all brands are there. You copy any one of here, you can go to the extension, you can paste it here. So you can add any mobile as per your requirements. Like this, it is having so many brands, Android phones, Android tablets, iPad, and iPhone. Like this, you can add any of your device and you can check whether your website is mobile friendly or not. Now I will tell you about one more extension related to the website analysis. Go to the Chrome extension store. Here type page analytics. PAG page analytics. See, it's a page analytics by Google. This is a Google Analytics. So you can directly analyze your website without logging to your Google Analytics. See, the page analytics Chrome extension allow you to see how customers interact with your website. So I will show you how this extension works in your website. Click on this. Since I have already installed and in my desktop, see, this is the page analytics by Google. I have already switch on this and go to the website here. See, this is the icon of page analytics. See, this is a page analytics icon. Click on the icon. See, it starts showing the analytics. See, the complete picture of this page will appear here. Complete data of analytics. See, so this is the data which you have. The extension has collected with the help of Google Analytics. See the users, unique page views, average time of the page, bounce rate, exit, and real time. For this page, how many people have visited, how many unique users are there. So if you want to check another page, go to this page, click on this page. See, this particularly this page data is loading here. See the data of this particular page is showing here. Present users are 119, unique viewers 125, average time, bounce rate, exist, and real time view. Like this, you will get the complete data analytics of this website. If you want to change other data or other usage, click here. You can check according to your preference. You can check what is the social interaction. Click on this. Click on social action. It is showing the data of social action 0, unique viewers 125, average time page 140. Like this, you can select the option whichever you want. This is a traffic source. Check the traffic source here. What is the organic search? Click on this to show the data. Go to the user. Click on new user 18 125. It will show all the complete data analytics of your website. Whatever the details you want, you can get with the help of this extension. Thanks for watching my video. That's all for today. I hope this video helps a lot in understanding these two Chrome extensions to check whether your website is mobile friendly or not and how this website is performing in all the devices. So please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and watch to my channel. In future also I will bring same kind of video which will enhance your knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.